The 9 things that I want you to remember are, number 1, God created this world and everything in the universe out of nothing. Number 2, God's primary creation was human beings made in his own likeness. Number 3, our first parents sinned, and we, their descendants, have been naughty ever since. Number 4, God chose Abraham's race to prepare the path for his sons coming to the earth and for our redemption. Number 5, God so loved the world. Number 6, that he gave his one and only Son. Number 7, that whoever believes in him, number 8, shall not perish, number 9, but have eternal life. Wow, it can't get any better than that.